In many black communities across America during the 1980s, food was more than just fuel. It was survival, creativity, and family tradition passed down through generations. As factory jobs disappeared, inflation rose, and many families faced economic hardship, home cooks relied on affordable ingredients and old recipes to keep everyone fed. These meals were born from necessity, but endured because they brought comfort, flavor, and a sense of community. Let's explore 10 budget dishes that helped many black families survive and thrive during the 1980s. 1. Beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread was one of the most dependable meals in countless Southern and black households. A pot of pinto beans, navy beans, or black-eyed peas could feed a family for very little money. Seasoned with onions, garlic, and often a smoked ham hock or leftover bacon grease, the beans simmered for hours until rich and flavorful. The cornbread stretched the meal even further. Made from simple ingredients like cornmeal, eggs, and milk, it was inexpensive, filling, and perfect for soaking up the savory broth. For many families, this meal represented both frugality and comfort. 2. Rice and rice and gravy was a staple because it transformed small amounts of meat into a hearty meal. Chicken backs, turkey necks, or inexpensive cuts of pork were browned and slowly cooked into a rich gravy. The gravy was poured over a large bed of rice, making it possible to feed many people from a small amount of protein. His dish reflected a tradition of making the most out of every ingredient. It was common at family tables after church, after work, and during hard times. 3. Cabbage and sausage. Cabbage was one of the most affordable vegetables available, and smoked sausage added flavor without requiring much quantity. Cabbage, onions, and sausage were cooked together in one pot, creating a filling meal that was both practical and satisfying. This dish became popular because it was cheap, easy to prepare, and could feed large families. Leftovers tasted even better the next day. 4. Fried bologna sandwiches. The fried bologna sandwich became a symbol of working-class resilience. Thick slices of bologna were fried in a skillet until the edges curled, the end placed between slices of white bread with mustard, mayonnaise, or cheese. For many children growing up in the 1980s, this was a familiar after-school meal. It was inexpensive, quick, and deeply nostalgic. 5. Macaroni and tomatoes. Macaroni and tomatoes was a simple dish that stretched pantry ingredients into a full meal. Elbow macaroni was boiled and mixed with canned tomatoes, butter, and seasoning. Some families added onions or small bits of meat when available. Though simple, this dish provided warmth and comfort during difficult financial times. It remains a beloved recipe in many Southern households today. 6. Black-eyed peas and rice. Black-eyed peas and rice was both economical and deeply rooted in Southern food traditions. Often seasoned with smoked meat or a few slices of sausage, the dish was nutritious, filling, and inexpensive. Families appreciated that dried peas could be stored for long periods and cooked in large batches. This meal represented resourcefulness and hope, especially around New Year celebrations. 7. Potato soup. Potato soup was one of the easiest ways to feed a large family on a tight budget. Potatoes, onions, milk, and butter created a creamy and satisfying soup. Some cooks added celery, bacon, or cheese if they could afford it. A large pot could last for several meals, making it an essential dish during lean weeks. Served with bread or crackers, it was both affordable and comforting. 8. Salmon croquettes. Salmon was a pantry staple because it was cheaper than fresh fish and easy to store. Families mixed the salmon with breadcrumbs, eggs, and seasonings to form patties that were pan-fried until crispy. Salmon croquettes were often served with grits, rice, or biscuits. This dish turned a modest can of fish into a meal that felt special. 9. Hot dogs and beans. Hot dogs and baked beans was a quick and affordable dinner that became a regular feature in many households. Sliced hot dogs were cooked together with canned beans, onions, and simple seasonings. This one-pot meal was easy for busy parents to prepare and could feed several people without much expense. 10. Grits with butter and eggs. Grits were a southern staple that remained one of the most budget-friendly foods available. Served with butter, eggs, or even a little cheese, grits provided a hearty start to the day or a simple evening meal. Because grits were inexpensive and filling, they were a reliable choice for families trying to stretch their grocery budget. For many people, a warm bowl of grits represented home, tradition, and the determination to make the best of difficult times. These dishes were not simply poor people's food. They were expressions of resilience, creativity, and community. Every recipe carried memories of grandparents in the kitchen, children gathered around the table, and families doing their best with what they had. In Part 2, we will explore 10 more dishes that kept Black families nourished during the 1980s, including smothered potatoes, liver and onions, chow chow relishes, and other forgotten budget classics. 10 AI image prompts. 1980 seconds African American family eating beans and cornbread at a modest kitchen table. Warm lighting. Realistic. C style. Historical documentary photography. 2. Southern style rice and gravy with turkey necks served on a ceramic plate. 1980 seconds home kitchen setting. Realistic food photography. 3. One-pot cabbage and smoked sausage dish cooking on a stovetop in an 1980 seconds kitchen. Documentary. Y style. 4. Fried bologna sandwich on white bread with mustard. Lunch counter aesthetic. 1980 seconds American home. Realistic image. 5. Bowl of macaroni and tomatoes in a vintage southern kitchen. Warm colors, nostalgic atmosphere. 6. Black-eyed peas and rice served in a rustic bowl with cornbread on the side. Historical food photography style. 7. Large pot of creamy potato soup with crackers and bread on a family dinner table. 1980 seconds home setting. 8. Crispy salmon croquettes with grits and biscuits on a southern-style dinner plate. Realistic documentary image. 9. Hot dogs and beans in a cast-iron skillet. Budget meal from 1980s America. Cinematic lighting. 10. Bowl of buttered grits with eggs on a simple breakfast table. 1980 seconds Southern household. High-detail food photography. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these forgotten budget meals, please like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about food history, immigrant kitchens, and the meals that shaped America. 2. Rice and gravy was one of the simplest meals that filled countless dinner tables during the 1980s. A large pot of white rice cost very little, and homemade gravy transformed it into a comforting meal. Families often made gravy from leftover bacon grease, flour, onions, and broth. If a few pieces of chicken or beef were available, they were cut into small portions so everyone received a taste. Although modest, this meal was warm, filling, and reminded many people that good cooking depended more on skill than expensive ingredients. 3. Cabbage with smoked sausage. Cabbage became one of the most affordable vegetables available in neighborhood grocery stores. A single head could feed several people and lasted for days in the refrigerator. Black families frequently sliced cabbage into large pieces and cooked it slowly with smoked sausage, onions, garlic, black pepper, and a pinch of crushed red pepper. Even one small sausage added enough smoky flavor for the entire pot. The cabbage absorbed every drop of seasoning, creating a satisfying meal served alongside cornbread or rice. 4. Salmon croquettes. Fresh seafood was often too expensive, but canned salmon provided an economical alternative packed with protein. Grandmothers mixed canned salmon with eggs, crushed crackers or breadcrumbs, chopped onions, and simple seasonings before shaping the mixture into patties. Fried until golden brown, salmon croquettes developed a crispy outside and tender center. They were commonly served with grits, rice, or mashed potatoes, and became a favorite Friday dinner in many Black households throughout the decade. 5. Fried bologna sandwiches. When money was especially tight, fried bologna sandwiches became an easy and inexpensive solution. Thick slices of bologna were fried until the edges curled upward, and the surface became slightly crispy. They were placed between slices of soft white bread with mustard or mayonnaise, and sometimes topped with cheese if the family could afford it. Served with homemade potato wedges or chips, this quick meal satisfied hungry children after school and required only a handful of affordable ingredients. 6. Red beans and rice. This Southern classic continued to stretch food budgets during the 1980s. Dried red beans cost very little and expanded significantly after soaking overnight. They were cooked slowly with onions, celery, bell peppers, garlic, and a smoked ham hock or leftover sausage for flavor. Served over fluffy rice, the dish was hearty and out to feed a large family while providing valuable protein and fiber. Leftovers tasted even better the next day, making the meal even more economical. 7. Potato soup. Potatoes were among the cheapest foods available, making potato soup a regular feature on many dinner tables. Families simmered diced potatoes with onions and broth until tender before adding milk to create a creamy texture. Some included bits of bacon, shredded cheese, or chopped green onions when available, but the soup remained delicious even without expensive additions. Say, revet with crackers or homemade biscuits, potato soup provided warmth and comfort during cold evenings. 8. Macaroni with tomatosini. Box of macaroni and a can of stewed tomatoes created a surprisingly flavorful meal that many families still remember today. Butter, black pepper, salt, and a little sugar balanced the acidity of the tomatoes, while some cooks added onions or bell peppers for extra flavor. If leftover ground beef or smoked sausage was available, it was stirred into the pasta, but the dish remained satisfying even as a simple meatless dinner. 9. Chicken gizzards and rice. Chicken breasts often cost too much for struggling households, but chicken gizzards remained inexpensive and nutritious. After careful cleaning, the gizzards were simmered slowly until tender before being seasoned generously with onions, garlic, paprika, black pepper, and thyme. Served over rice with rich gravy, this meal demonstrated the long-standing tradition of making delicious food from affordable ingredients. Many younger generations later discovered these humble dishes carried some of the richest family memories. 10. Collard greens with cornbread. Collard greens represented far more than a vegetable. They symbolized history, endurance, and Southern heritage. During the 1980s, large pots of collard greens simmered for hours with smoked turkey, ham, hocks, or salt pork whenever possible. Vinegar, hot sauce, onions, and garlic enhanced their deep flavor. Fresh cornbread accompanied every serving, perfect for soaking up the flavorful pot liquor left behind. Even when meat was scarce, the greens remained nutritious and deeply satisfying. Ending these 10 dishes remind us that survival wasn't only about saving money, it was about preserving traditions, sharing resources, and keeping families together around the dinner table. Every recipe carried the wisdom of previous generations who knew how to transform humble ingredients into meals filled with love and dignity. In part 2, we'll continue exploring 10 more budget dishes that helped Black families overcome the economic hardships of the 1980s, while preserving a culinary legacy that continues to inspire today.